How does having a good command of numeracy actually help us?
So, on certain very surface levels, it makes life more manageable. And, those surface levels are not shallow because they affect every aspect of life. Financial choices, credit cards are not opening credit cards, understanding the flow of your income and outgo, being able to make financial choices that lead you to more security in the long run, understanding how to compare different complex financial choices. For example, what kind of loan to get on a big purchase, such as a car or renting a home, like what's upfront versus what's long term, this kind of thing. Like there's a lot of basic on the surface, but things that numeracy really helps with to have a more decent life. Then on a deeper level, it connects to the ability to understand patterns, for example. If you have, so these are things I've noticed evolve in me or haven't been involving in me as I go on in life and as I deepen in my understanding of math. Being able to watch, for example, news cycles or historical cycles or patterns of interaction between people or weather patterns. Like there's so many things that you start to understand on a deeper level when you have a different relationship with math. Another really cool thing is encountering fractal geometry, which is not Euclidean geometry, the stuff that's taught in, 8th, ninth, 10th grade, but fractal geometry, which is something where we see patterns that are repeated in nature. For example, the fact that a lightning strike, we only see the flash of it, but really there's a gazillion branching tendrils that come out of it that go down to 1 electron wide and go into the ground, into the cloud, all of that. Well, it's just like the shape of a tree and its branches and its roots, or our blood vessels or our neurons. Like you see these patterns everywhere, or the fjord and certain kinds of agate. So, like, you start to see these patterns that show you how everything is connected on a deeper level. And that gives a different relationship because math is one of the ways we can understand where we are and how we relate to the universe.